Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So another video on ticker symbol PROG. I make a lot of video on this particular one because I love this particular one. And last Friday we stopped at 13.7% gain. If you look last Friday's chart, you can see it did a nice run starting from the morning. It has some top around $5. I will talk why $5 was so important, but ended around like 4.9. If you look at last 5 days, still it is nice green. So nice move from 3.2 all the way to 5.8. And if you took some profit, in any case over 5.5 or even pre-market 6.2 area, then it was almost a home run for you. So anyway, very excited because I make a lot of video on PROG because I love this baby. So in this particular video, I want to talk about the price action, mainly the support, resistance, option chain activity, short share availability, and many more things. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, I have a Discord, most probably you know, so join my Discord. And while we are talking about Discord, just a quick thing, like almost for every day, like pre-market or like the night before, I do a list for day trading and swing trading, and it was really good. Like last week was good, last Friday was good. As an example, ticker symbol AUR was a nice one. We entered around 14.3 some of them, and at one point it went like almost 25% gain. The other one is LGVN, which is a multi-day runner. Even you played on Friday, just looking at the support and resistance, you were up by 63% at one point, even though you ended the day maybe 30% up. So anyway, if you like this kind of alert with support resistance for different ticker pre-market market hours, then I invite you to join my Discord. So you can join my Patreon. The link will be in the first comment and also in the description. You can join my Patreon, then you can become a part of my Discord family so that you can get trade alert for different triggers each and every day, and almost few hours I add something. So anyway, give it a try. But now let's talk about PROG. So first of all, why $5 was so important? Because if you look here, the option that expired last Friday, look at $5 strike price. There was lots of call option, 39,000 volume here, right? For 5.5, 10,000. In case the price was above 5 or 5.5, let's talk about 5, then these options will be in the money. It needs to be in the money, right? So if it was in the money, then those calls will be exercised. There will be more buying pressure, right? So that was very important. So it was always intentional, I would say, because whenever it came to $5, it was pressed below 5, so that those options become out of the money and not exercised. But anyway, still you see lots of call option, 20,000 here, 11,000, 4.4, let's say 5,000. So if you add all of this call option, multiply that by 100, then you know how many shares will be executed. So very exciting. If you go back on, I think the last option chain was October something, maybe October 16 or 17, you can always trace back and you can see what happened. Sometimes you see like when there is an option expiry date, sometimes they try to push the price down so that it never goes over a certain percentage. So I'm just trying to see October, I can't remember, 15 or 16, but anyway, for now you know what is happening. But for future trading or for any kind of stock, if you know there is a high interest or very high volume sitting for one particular strike price, sometimes the market maker, they never want you or the price to go over that particular strike price, so that those shares expire worthless. In that case, they are making money, right? But in case they go over, there will be more and more buying pressure. So sometimes this strike price, especially on the last few days of the week, very important. So anyway, but still PROG is looking very bullish. If you look at PROG for last 4 or 5 days, you see what a move. Green, a red, again a green. So in general, if you just look at the weekly chart, let's have a weekly chart, you see a nice move from $3 all the way to $6. Home run, right? You can double your money. So anyway, I will come back to the chart. I will talk about more, but before that, let's look what is happening. So the average volume for PROG was 92 million on an average, but Friday it was 123 million, so more than the average. If you look at the day by day volume, you can see a nice surge in volume, then again it came down, but again the volume is good. It was not that high volume compared to Thursday, but it's still Friday. You see nice volume, nice price action, very bullish. In terms of the call and put option activity, you can see 86% of options were call option. In terms of the short interest and the borrow fee rate, I like to use this website. So it shows you that at one point there was no short share available, then after some point now there are some shares are available. So as of like it's showing 5:45 p.m. so anyway 40.45 million shares are available, and the borrow fee rate is 68%. If I go to Fintel, it shows me the current short interest is 19.54, and the dark pool short volume ratio is 53%. If we scroll down, it shows 500,000.5 million shares are available. The website I just showed you says 0.45, so very close. In terms of the borrow fee rate, it's still very high, 68%. At one point it was 100%, right? So it's still not bad. You can scroll down, you can see the number of shares shorted. You can see 53% of the volume was shorted on last Friday. And these are some of the things fails to deliver, so these numbers are going higher and higher, which is really good, and I'm liking it because now they are shorting and they are not able to deliver, right? So this is one other thing. Maybe from next video I will spend some time for the stock which are short squeeze candidates. So anyway, so if I look at the option chain again, so here's the option chain, and I want to see the next option chain activity. Let's look at the monthly, which is December 17th, and what I want to show in bars, so it's easy for you to see how things are moving. So if you look here, still for 7.5 strike price, the open interest is 33,000, for 5.5 22,000, for 5 18,000. so for still another 1 month, you see a lot of options has open interest, so still people are very bullish. Okay, now let's look at the next week. If you think next week will be a good week, they will run blah. So still for next week I see 5 strike price, still there are a lot of open interest. More interestingly, for 7.5 strike price, 55,000 open interest, and one call option worth only $5. In case you want to take a chance, you can just buy one call option for $5 or give a try. Even for $5 strike price, the bid is only $5. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong one. It has to be 26th of November. Okay, so for 5 strike price, one call option is $60, and you see the volume here, so still people are betting big on $5. Now let's go back to the price action. So, and from a weekly, I'm going back to hourly chart. Sorry for the mix-up. It's Sunday morning, just woke up, had a tiring day yesterday. Went outside, had lots of fun. So one important thing is the barrier, the $5 area. These area needs to be broken, right? Because this is one important area, $5 area. We couldn't break it, we came down. But what happened? There was a resistance around 4.6. You see the blue line here. That thing was kept strong. In case it comes down, as long as it is holding 4.6, this will be really good. After that we have 4.4 and so on. Some people also talk what happens if it comes to 3.8. there is a gap, it might come back to 3.5, but we will think about that later, because currently we are at 4.9 and I think we have to go higher and higher. So anyway, looking at the resistance, I am looking at 4.6 and 4.2. in case it gives a dip, then it goes up. On the other hand, if we are looking for a breakout, I would say wait for $5, 5.1 area, then 5.3, and again we have then $6, 6.2, these areas. So I'm also moving to extended hour. Just wanted to show you what happens, right? So you see here 6.2, after the market open it went. Another day it went really around 6.2, around 4 o'clock, maybe 5 o'clock in the morning, but trading view is not showing the data. But again, it was hit at 6.2 and came down. So if you look at the big picture, right? So I'm going just way out, right? So you see here 5.4, one important resistance, then we have 6, we have 6.2, and after 6.2 we have more room to run, maybe around $7. After 7 we have $8. There are so many people are talking about different price target, $25, $20. I'm not gonna go that far. I just want to look at the price action and make a plan for week by week, day by day. That is why I'm just focusing on near term. I'm just going up to $8, $9. I'm not going back to 25, 30. Maybe PROG will go there at one day, but do not want to give a hype. I just want to protect your profit in case it comes down. You know, to get out of your position, or if you really believe PROG, then you just buy more and you buy the dip, right? So anyway, over my Discord, I know someone who loves PROG. So whenever it comes down around $2, $3, he just adds more. His average was 1 point something and he's adding more because he loves PROG. Also, I know some people, they like day trading and swing trading, so it doesn't matter. As long as the price is moving, they are making money. So there are different type of mentality. You can't blame anyone that, oh, why you are selling. So each person has their own perspective, own plan. Respect all. But anyway, PROG is something that I have been talking for so long and I'm so excited. And before I stop, I just want to show you the weekly so that you know how this thing is moving, and most probably you will love it. So you see, at one point it was around 90 cents, 70 cents, and week by week we are going higher and higher and higher. We came down, but we are going higher and higher. Instead of candle, maybe I'll just go to a line chart. You see, this is the line chart. Beautiful, right? Nice upward move. Nice upward move on a weekly chart. Look at the volume. As long as the momentum is continuing, any kind of good news regarding buyout or any kind of big partnership news, this thing will run. You see the resistance around 4.9. After that, what we will have? We will have something around 6, 6.9, 6.5 and more, right? Sometimes candles are very confusing. If you want to see a real picture on a week by week basis, isn't it looking good? It came down, moving sideways, and now going back up. I think you'll love it. So anyway, thanks for watching this particular video. If you find the video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, I have a Discord community. If you want, just spend some $9 and become a member and join my Discord so that we can all make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.